Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this episode, we are going to be learning how to cancel GoDaddy Credit Card. To cancel your GoDaddy Credit Card, the first thing to do is to open a web browser. Go to the URL box and type in godaddy.com and search. Doing so will take you to the official website for GoDaddy. Go to the upper right corner and click on the Contact Us button. Now in the Contact Us tab, you will be able to see the toll-free number displayed on the left-hand side. Go ahead and make a phone call to this number and mention to the customer service representative that you would like to cancel your credit card associated with GoDaddy. They will then be able to guide you through the process on how you can easily cancel it. You can also go to the upper right corner after logging into your account and click on your name drop-down. Click on Renewals and Billings, and if you've added a credit card as a payment method on GoDaddy, you can cancel or delete the credit card from your account first and then contact the customer service representative via a phone call. So that is how you will be able to cancel your credit card for GoDaddy. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.